Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Now, the cool thing about this strategy is I'm going to show you how to do this without having to build an email list, having to build up a YouTube channel, having to create any TikTok videos. And the most important thing is having no experience and without any followers at all. Now, why am I making this video, right? You've probably seen other of my videos, right? I do show you how to create a YouTube channel and an email list. Well, the reason I'm making this, guys, is because a lot of people want to start affiliate marketing, but they're not sure, right? They're not sure if this is right for them. So the goal of this video is to help you make that first 1,000 videos with your affiliate marketing business. And once you make that first 1,000, once you know that this is real, right? I'm going to show you a very quick method to start making money with this. Then later on, I'm going to show you my other methods where you can then build an email list, create a YouTube channel where you can start making passive income. So this video is literally for brand new people looking to start affiliate marketing, to see if it's right for them, but more importantly, to get your results as fast as humanly possible. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom, guys. And the goal of this channel is to help you leave that 9-to-5 job, because that's exactly what I was able to do when I started affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and guys, let's get into the actual video. Now, this specific strategy is showing you how to promote affiliate products, but more specifically, software affiliate products, okay? Now, guys, software affiliate marketing has literally changed my life, because once people are in software, they pay every single month, okay? Now, for example, this is ClickFunnels right here. You can see I've made over $52,000 with just one program. Another one right here that I just started promoting is System.io. You can see here a little over $400. I just started with this platform here. Another one here, you guys can see almost $8,000 with this one, and $1,900 pending just from last month. And one more, guys, you can see here, this is Bluehost. You can see they pay me every single couple weeks. You can see $300, $200, $130, $195, and these are just some of the softwares that I promote. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can start promoting softwares with this method on affiliate marketing to make your first $1,000. All right, guys, so step number one is we're going to head over to Google and type in Capterra, okay? Now, this is a website where it shows you a ton of software, okay? We're going to go to capterra.com. As you can see, it just looks like that. And basically inside of Capterra, we can go and find different softwares that we're going to go ahead and promote as affiliates, okay? Now, we're going to go to software categories, and we're going to check out browse all categories so we can see all the categories that Capterra has to offer. Now, one thing to note, guys, is it doesn't really matter what niche or what category it's in, because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money in basically any of these softwares, right? We're not building the long-term business at the moment, right? The goal of this video is show you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So I just want you to understand that we're not picking a specific niche with Capterra.com. All right, guys, but now what we're going to do now is actually look for software categories in Capterra, okay? Now we can go and literally find any software category. It really doesn't matter, okay? I'm actually going to go to affiliate software just because I'm somewhat familiar with this. So if we go to affiliate software here, guys, it'll take us to these affiliate softwares here, okay? Now you can see that there's different programs, okay? So there's Chipotle, Tune, Partner Stack. Now what you're going to want to do, this is really important, guys, is that you want to go and type these into Google, okay? So if I copy this here and we type that into Google, well, first of all, we can see how many searches per month, okay? This is kind of important because this is going to be how much money we can potentially make, right? Basically now, the way I get this volume here, guys, is I have this Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere, which gives you this volume, okay? That's just a side note. But anyways, guys, what we're looking for, does this keyword have an ad, and it does. Okay, so we're not going to use this keyword. Now technically you can, you're just going to be outbidding these people, and I want to show you this method that you can start making your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing as soon as possible. Okay, so we're going to scratch this keyword here in this program, so we're going to move on to the next one. Now I want you guys to bear in mind that we're not going to go and sell these products. We're literally looking for super hot traffic that's ready to buy these products. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. Now we're going to go through and find these products, right? We're going to go to, Tell-in-One, Purpley, Titan Affiliate, Post Affiliate Pro, Kartra, Referral Rock, and see, do these programs have an ad, right? Let's try this one right here, right? We go to Scaleo, right? I can literally type this into Google, and what do we find, okay? Well, first of all, okay, it's got a decent search volume. That's pretty cool. That's 2,900 searches per month, right? And this is like super targeted, right? You're not going to be searching this keyword unless you want the product. So right here, you can see there is no ad here, okay? So this is a really hot keyword and a hot software. Okay, so that's going to be the next step. Okay, and that's the next thing we want to do. But now it's really important, does this program have an affiliate program so you can go and promote it? Okay, that's the last step here, guys. And what we'll do now is we can do Scaleo affiliate program and see if it has an affiliate program. Now I see on the bottom here that it does have one, but if it doesn't, right, if you're using my method and you're looking for just a different program, you're going to want to type in affiliate program after the keyword to see if they do have one. Now if I click on this right here, it looks like they do have one, as you can see here, up to 30% lifetime commissions for every customer you refer. Awesome. So I can go ahead and apply for that and become an affiliate for Scaleo, okay, which is the next step. Okay, so really cool. We can run ads to this keyword that nobody is literally doing right now. Okay, this is really powerful because over 2,900 people are searching it. So your ad is literally going to show up at the top here. Okay, they're going to be ready to buy this software because they're literally searching that keyword there. Okay guys, so we found an affiliate program. There's no ads running to that program, and we signed up to get our link. So the next step is to start running Google Ads, okay? So you're gonna wanna go to Google Ads and create an account. Now I'm not gonna show you how to do that in this video because it's a very simple process, guys. You just go to googleads.com or just type in Google Ads on Google, and you'll be able to create an account very easily. And sometimes you can get $100, $200, even up to $500 absolutely free just for signing up for a Google Ads account. All right, guys, so I jumped into my Google Ads account. Obviously, you're gonna have a blank screen if you just started an account. Now, what you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna wanna create a new campaign here at the top, okay? We're gonna go to new campaign, click on that, and you're gonna go through this process here, okay? I'm gonna show you step by step. So we're gonna go to website traffic, okay? And what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna hit continue, okay? And what I want to do is search, okay? This is the type of campaign that we're going to run. Basically, we're going to be running an ad. When people type this into Google, it's literally going to show up at the top here, okay? Just like if someone were running this ad right here, right? You can see there's the ad, and then underneath the ad is the main one here. But typically people will just go to the ad first, okay? Which is pretty cool because we're gonna be ethically sniping people that type in this keyword. Since they already have an affiliate program, we can go ahead and run these keywords. All right, guys, so we're gonna click on search here, and then we're gonna hit my website here. So this website can literally just be the referral link. I'm just gonna add a random website for now, just so we can go through this process. And I'll show you guys how to get through here. Okay, I'm just gonna put google.com. I'm just trying to show you guys how to kind of run this ad, and we'll kind of take it from here, okay? All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So as far as the budget, you can literally do $10, $20 a day to get started. I'm just gonna do $20 a day. And what I want to focus on here is clicks, okay? I want people to click on my ad. And then we're going to go ahead and hit next here. I'm just going to go through this process. Now, we don't want this on the display network. We just want this to show on the search network, okay? And I also don't want it to show in Google search partners, okay? That's up to you, you can, but I typically want it just to show in Google. So I'm just gonna take that setting off. And then we're going to go through this process here. Typically, I'll just do United States, but most people that use this software, I believe, are in the United States. So we can just leave it on all countries. But if you want to be safe, the United States will be the safest bet. That's fine. Don't worry about audience segments or dynamic search options. Go ahead and hit next. All right, the next step here, this is probably the most important step, is we need to put the actual keyword. Now, obviously we can go to this keyword here. This is the keyword that you're gonna wanna use. Now we can go ahead and use multiple keywords, which I'll show you, but I mean, honestly, you can just go with this keyword here and you're good to go. Now, it's really important actually to kind of look at this down here, right? This is gonna tell you, how you're going to put the keyword in, okay? Now, if you just add it like this, it's going to be a broad match. So anything that kind of has that keyword in it, it'll show up as an ad. So to be safe, what I would typically do is a exact match here. So what you want to do is add these brackets, okay? This is gonna basically, people have to type in this exact keyword before your ad shows up, okay? That's basically how it works. Now, if you have the keywords everywhere, Chrome extension, sometimes there's more related keywords here, right? So you can see Scaleo pricing, Scaleo reviews. So you can also use this keyword as well if you want. Honestly, you could literally just use this one keyword and you're fine. But we can go ahead and add this if you want more keywords. But honestly, you don't need hundreds of keywords because like you're already going to get 2,900 people per month, as you can see right here, searching this keyword right here, okay? So that's basically how it works, all right? So guys, the next step is to literally just create the ad itself, which is fairly simple because it's just going to be essentially just this right here, okay? And I'll show you how we can kind of model this exact ad, okay? So basically, your final URL is really important. This is going to be your affiliate link. So, obviously you have to go and sign up for that specific affiliate program. So remember, if you go and apply right here, you're going to go ahead and get your affiliate link, okay? Now, I didn't apply for this. This is just an example. But once you apply, you just grab your affiliate link. It's just a special link with your special code on it. And that's going to go literally right here. Okay. So this is going to be your affiliate link. Okay. So really important that you get that we can start running ads. Okay. Now, as far as everything else, I'm just going to put an example here, just example.com and then, affiliate link. Okay. This is going to be the affiliate link. It probably won't let me do it. But anyways, this is important here though, guys, is we need to put this headline. Okay. So what I like to do is literally just copy what they gave us. Okay, so right here you can see Scaleo, so we can add that in here. So if I go to Google Ads, we can add Scaleo. The next one here, we can do affiliate marketing software, so we can add that in there, and then we can kind of just copy exactly what it gave us. Okay, so tracking platform, we can add that in there, and that's basically it, guys. And we can go ahead and add a description here. I'm literally just gonna take this right here. Okay, so it's right here because essentially it's a paid version of the organic one. Okay, so that's all we're doing here is I'm literally just copying this exact same thing. Now you can go ahead and create different ads if you want, but we're not really trying to convince people to buy this product because people already want it. So it really doesn't matter if you're super creative here, right? We're literally just telling people, hey, here's the product that you're looking for, go and buy it, okay? So your ad is literally gonna show up on top of everything, okay? That's the cool thing about running these ads. But yeah, so we can go ahead and kind of just go through here and fill all that out. I'm not going to go too much into it. That's it, guys. That's literally all you need to do to start running ads to this affiliate product. But yeah, once that's all done, guys, we can hit next. And we can go ahead and skip this extension stuff. You can add this. It actually makes the ad a little bit bigger. But basically, I'm just going to skip this for now. That's something you can do if you're a little bit more advanced. Obviously, it has issues because I didn't put the right links. But guys, once you approve it, it's going to take anywhere between, it depends, 2 hours, even up to 24 hours to get approved. And guys, once it's approved, it's literally going to show up at the top here. Nobody is running ads to this right now, and over 2,900 people are searching this. So you can do this with not only this program, but you can go back to Capterra and look for literally hundreds and hundreds of programs. So this works, guys. It absolutely works. You just have to find something that a lot of people are searching for. There's an affiliate program and there's a lot of search volume as well, which always helps. So I hope you guys like this video on how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. This is an amazing strategy to do in 2022, guys. Now, guys, this is a great method, but if you guys want to learn the long-term way, the long-term method that's going to allow you to not only make money for the long term, but build your business and brand of people that know, like, and trust you, then I want to invite you guys to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I show you exactly how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job in just 9 months. I'm gonna leave a link to that down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.